Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to find when you created your TikTok account. So initially, all you have to do is realize that it's a little bit difficult other than this method. There's a way to go into your history and scroll all the way down to when you first started watching TikTok. And that might take, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 days of continuous scrolling. But this method is a little bit better, but you need your email that you use to sign up with TikTok, right? So go out of here, go to your email, and then just type in TikTok. And you have to make sure that this is the email that you use to sign in with TikTok. And now you have to scroll all the way down to the first email you got from TikTok using this email. And there we have it. And now, welcome to TikTok. And it was September 22nd, 2023. And that is when you created your TikTok account. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.